asleep on me. So this is Cuddles, our giggly little baby monkey. She'll be available for this fall. She responds in over 100 different ways. So of course every playtime is going to be different with every child. So every experience is going to be different. She has sensors in her face. So if I touch over here, she'll look at me, give me cute little baby noises. And of course if I stroke her over here, she'll look that way as well. If I tickle her, she'll start laughing. And then of course, she comes with her cute little banana bottle. And if I put this in the mouth, she has a sensor, so it feels like she's actually feeding. Like it feels like she's actually pulling on the bottle, and she'll make the sound like she's feeding. She also has a switch underneath her arm, and so she also has a sensor in her stomach. So if I start swinging her around, she'll make the sounds, and she knows it's playtime. And then of course, was that fun? And then of course, if I want to just rock her to sleep. She's had a lot of fun. So then once I start rocking her sweet gently like that, she'll usually blow me some kisses and then go to sleep with her eyes closed and start snoring. And there she went.
Wow.
So then if I want to wake her back up,